And Scott, what is the song you're going to play tonight, actually?
Well, we're going to do a very interesting, unrehearsed version of Mr. Jones by Counting Crows. So this is going to be quite a musical adventure and a lot of fun.
All right. Let us adventure.
Let's adventure away.
Help me believe in anything, 'cause I wanna be someone who believes, yeah. Mr. Jones and me tell each other fairy tales, and we stare at the beautiful women. She's looking at you, oh no, no, she's looking at me, smiling in the bright lights, coming through in stereo. So she's looking at me, standing in the spotlight. Bought myself a great guitar when everybody loves me. I will never be lonely. I'll never be lonely. Never gonna be lonely. I wanna be alive. Everybody wanna pass this gas. We don't wanna be big, big stars, and we got different reasons for that. Believe in me, 'cause I don't believe in anything, and I wanna be someone who believes, yeah. Got to be somebody for me. I wanna be Bob Dylan. Mr. Jones wishes he was someone a little more funky when everybody loves you. Oh, son, it's just about as funky as you can be. Mr. Jones and me staring at the video. When I look at the television, I wanna see me stare right back at me. We all wanna be big stars, but we don't know why, and we don't know how. And everybody loves me. I'm gonna be just about as happy as I can be. Mr. Jones and me, we're gonna be big stars.
Scott, buddy!